Have you ever dreamt of owning a beautiful house, picturing yourself relaxing in your own space but thought you needed a fortune to make it happen? Maybe you've seen those glossy magazines or TV shows and assumed real estate is only for the super rich. Think again. Real estate isn't just for the wealthy or those with deep pockets. In fact, it's more accessible than you might believe. You can start with little or even no money, just like building an invention from simple, everyday parts. It's about using what you have and being creative. The U.S. real estate market is bursting with opportunities for those who have creativity, determination, and a willingness to learn new things. It's not about having a mountain of cash, but about having a mountain of good ideas and the drive to put them into action. In this chapter, we'll explore practical methods to become a property investor without breaking the bank or draining your savings. Just like Wallace building a rocket in his garage, you can build your real estate empire one step at a time, piece by piece, learning as you go. This guide is your blueprint to get started, showing you the basics and the secrets that most people overlook. Forget the myth that you need to be rich to invest in property. That's just not true, and we're here to prove it. By the end of this journey, you'll have new tools and strategies for your investor's workshop, ready to put into practice. Property ownership isn't just for the wealthy, it's for the clever, the resourceful, and those willing to take the first step. So let's get cracking, roll up our sleeves, and dive into the world of real estate together. Get ready for a grand day out in property investing. Your adventure starts right now. What's the trick to buying houses with no money? Creative financing. It's a method that allows you to acquire property without the need for a large, upfront cash payment. It's about finding inventive ways to pay for property, not just relying on bank loans. This can include options like lease options, subject to deals, and more. Creative financing bridges the gap between you and the seller using cleverness instead of cash. It's a strategy that can make property ownership accessible to more people. For instance, seller financing lets the seller act as the bank, offering flexible payment terms. This can be particularly useful if traditional financing isn't an option. This approach is about solving problems and creating win-win situations. Both the buyer and the seller can benefit from the flexibility and creativity involved. Every deal is unique, allowing you to tailor solutions. You can customize the terms to fit the needs of both parties involved. It's not about breaking rules, but creating new ones that work for everyone. This innovative approach can redefine how property transactions are done. Creative financing is a powerful tool in your investor toolkit. It equips you with the ability to think outside the box and find solutions that others might overlook. It costs nothing to use but can open doors to property ownership. With creative financing, the possibilities are endless, and the dream of owning a home can become a reality. Let's explore 3 clever plans that can help you break into real estate, even if you don't have a lot of money to start with. First up is wholesaling. This strategy lets you act as a middleman, connecting sellers and buyers without ever owning the house yourself. You find a motivated seller, negotiate a great price, and then sell that contract to an investor for a profit. It's all about spotting opportunities and moving quickly. Second, consider using other people's money, or OPM. This means leveraging funds from private lenders or investors to finance your deals. You find a promising deal, get a private lender to fund the purchase, and then share the profits. This way, you can invest without risking your own savings. Third, try house hacking. Buy a multifamily property, live in one unit, and rent out the others to cover your expenses. The rent from your tenants can cover your mortgage, letting you live for free while you build equity and gain valuable landlord experience. These strategies prove you can profit from real estate without needing a hefty bank account or years of experience. Wholesaling, OPM, and house hacking are practical, creative ways to get started and build your confidence. Each method requires creativity, problem solving, and a willingness to learn new skills along the way. With these plans in your toolkit, you can step into the real estate market with confidence and a clear strategy. Each method offers a unique path to success, so you can choose the one that matches your goals and resources. Pick the strategy that fits your situation best, and take your first step on the journey to financial freedom. With a bit of clever thinking, it's a cracking good plan to get started in real estate. Inspired. Great. Start with a solid plan. First, educate yourself. Read, Listen and watch everything about real estate investing. Knowledge reduces mistakes and boosts confidence. Next, build your team. A savvy real estate agent, a lawyer, and a mortgage broker. Networking at local meetups can connect you with helpful people. Then, find deals. Look for motivated sellers and undervalued properties. Analyze potential deals by calculating costs and profits. Practice makes perfect. Soon you'll spot great deals easily. Your journey begins with learning, networking, and deal hunting. Become a detective, and you'll uncover opportunities. As you embark on this journey, remember to do your research. Due diligence is key. Check property conditions, titles, and numbers to ensure profitability. Challenges will arise, but persistence is crucial. Every setback is a learning opportunity. The U.S. real estate market is vast, offering chances for creative, hard-working individuals. Start small, learn, and gradually build your portfolio. Your first deal is the hardest, but most rewarding. With each success, your confidence and expertise grow. Real estate investing is within reach with the right mindset and strategies. You have the blueprint and tools. Now, start building. Shape the real estate world into something magnificent.